We're gonna turn this rotisserie into a white bean chili. So I've got this recipe that I wanna try again. You know what? Order of operations, my guy. Let's get that piping. We're gonna get in some olive oil. We're going rough chop because I'm gonna emulsify. I weigh all my ingredients and then I build my recipe in MyFitnessPal. All right, 450 grams of onions. Our earlywood spatula. If it's good, it's earlywood. We're gonna debone our chicken. This was roasted up last night. That's cartilage. Gross. Perfect. Chicken's deboned. I'm gonna go ahead and save these bones. Check back tomorrow. We'll do like a bone broth. Loving it. Love it, love it, love it. John Lovitz. Cool. Next, we've got our garlic. We're gonna take a generous tablespoon. Just throw it on in. We wanna make sure it doesn't burn. Let's get our chicken weight real quick. Chicken breast at 400. That's about almost a pound. We're gonna go 16 ounces of chicken. We're gonna set it aside because we don't wanna put it in just yet. Dark meat. Dark meat or white meat? What do you choose? We've got beans from the Great North. So these Canadian beans, or Upper Peninsula, Michigan, I believe. You can use fresh if you want, but who's got the time? And we're gonna get a weight on our beanies. 545 grams of great beans from the Great North. In goes our beanies. All right, next we have cento. We're gonna go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste into our bean and onion mixture. And we're gonna mix it all together, make the world taste good. Yeah, that's kind of perfect timing, actually. I love this. So we're gonna do the bone broth tomorrow, but this is some that I had left over from a previous batch. So 3 cups of stock or bone broth if you got it. And then we'll set that over that. Now, while that's going, go ahead and get our chicken chopped up. Chicken's chopped. We're gonna go ahead and get it back into our bowl, and we're gonna clean up our workstation because we're not little fucking piglets. This is probably one of my favorite tools to use. I got this as a gift for my birthday many years ago when my birthdays were cool. We're gonna blend it with our immersion blender. If you're gonna use an immersion blender, do not use it in your enamel cast irons, people. So look what we got here. Nice, blended down. Take the heat down to a simmer. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of salt, about a teaspoon of oregano, a couple of shakes of cumin, paprika, about a half teaspoon, and then our chili powder. I've got probably 2 tablespoons in here, and we're just gonna dump that in. Half a teaspoon black pepper. One more thing. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of my sweet potato habanero hot sauce. You can actually buy this on my profile on my website, buythishotsauce.com. And we're gonna add our chicken, trying not to splash like a dumbass. Oh, shit. Just kidding, we forgot one more thing. I did this last time with a poblano pepper that I fire roasted, but who couldn't turn this down? These were, it was like 50 cents a can, and you know, chopped green chilies. We're just gonna go ahead and dump that straight in. Now we're gonna set this on extra low if you got it. Simmer on low for about 30 minutes. Okay, my sweet peas, it's taste test time. We're gonna get ourselves a nice little bowl. Yeah, about a cup's worth, you know. I'm gonna pop the macros on right here and give it a shot. It's fucking delicious and it's healthy. Oh man, just give me like the chills. It warmed my soul up. We're gonna add just a little bit of tortilla strips. It's got the flavors of the Southwest, even with the beans from the Great North. Little kick, little pepper train. Nothing too overwhelming. I am gonna give this one an 8 out of 10 because if you gave this to anyone, they're gonna love it. Give it a shot, give it to your friends, give it to your coworkers, give it to someone you hate so they don't hate you anymore, possibly. And if they still hate you after that, just add some poison. Just put a little bit of poison in there. Or don't, because that would be murder. If you want to try some of that hot sauce, because that's what's giving it a nice kick, that little habanero ride, that's delicious. Buy this hotsauce.com. Links in my bio. Also, check back tomorrow. We're going to do some bone broth.